Feel me like a Hellcat.
Oh well, that was unfortunate. Well, I'm out here in the open at my favorite spot to do off-roading. I just watched back the video before the battery died, and that is the problem if you don't charge your battery. Well, or your power bank. Well, you can't make a full entire video out of it. So very, very sad face. And I can't remember what I talked about the last 5 minutes it took me to drive out here. But anyway, I'm here at one of my absolute favorite spots to do off-roading. I know it's not that much off-roading, but it's a dirt road. It's the closest thing I can get to do off-roading. And why is this car out here all by itself, I wonder? Maybe it's a family just walking around or something. I really don't know. Yes, this is one of my absolute favorite spots because it's so peaceful. It's so quiet out here. It's a beautiful nature. You can see there's a swan out there. There was a duck out there somewhere. You have a beautiful view out here. You have the little swamp or whatever it's called. I don't know. It's kind of wet and grassy, and there might be some little fish, or I don't know, frogs maybe. Well, it might be too early to see frogs out here. They're just little baby frogs. But take a look at this beautiful view. You can see the entire Falster from out here. Or not the entire Falster, but the entire Nykøbing. That's what the city out there is called. That is the city I'm driving in. That's my city. Take a look and just listen. Of course, you could hear me breathing and all that stuff, but I mean, it's just so peaceful out here. I really do love this spot. I do. And if you remember one of my my pictures on Instagram, well, that is where I took my picture. The latest, I guess it's the latest. Let's check to be sure. I can't remember. Let's check Instagram. It's not the latest, but you can see this picture here. It's just taken over there. I know. I'm not supposed to drive in here, and I'm not driving in here because you're only supposed to walk here. But I just took her with me to take some beautiful nature pictures. I mean, it's just so peaceful and beautiful out here. Look at the sun, it's up there. Some rain skies over there. It's just a beautiful view. Very beautiful. I really do love it, and I don't love those plants because they burn They burn your fingers. But it's just so peaceful. There's a little. It's not a canoe. It's a little boat. I don't know what that is. But yes, it's just so beautiful out here. This is where I really love to just go and relax. Actually, my bike was standing right there where there's water right now. So, well, she can't stand there today. But I really do love this. It's just so peaceful out here. And you can see the water is clear. Of course, not with all the plants. I wouldn't suggest you to just get out here and take a little bath, because there's a lot of rocks, as you can see. But it's just one of my absolute favorite spots to go. Let me take a selfie. I don't know if the sign over there says anything about the nature. Well, we could check it out. Those two ladies are... I'm not sure if the other one is a lady, but it's a very beautiful and peaceful nature. And then I'm just coming here to destroy it with my bike. So let's take a look. So, where is Haslev? Haslev. That's where we are. Number 3. Haslev Nature Road. I'm sorry, it's standing in Danish, but the nature camp may only be used by cyclists, hikers, and canoes. Those people that's using canoes, and only for 2 successive nights. So you have to have a success night. Sorry, I'm what's called word blind. So I'm trying to read as good as I can. Sorry. The primitive toilet facility must be kept clean and proper. Campfire may only be lit at the official campfire areas. That's one of those. That is the primitive toilet. All excess lighters, litter, whatever, must be taken with you. No admission to the surrounding private area. Okay. Enjoy the nature surroundings without loud music and noises. And loud noises. Yuki, you have to keep your voice down. Don't disturb the nature. NB. I don't know what NB stands for. Whatever. The site can be flooded during periods of heavy rain. Well, luckily that heavy rain sky is over there and not here. Contact nature something. Johnny Madsen, yada yada yada. Gulbuksson. Well, there you got it. This is apparently it's a camp. So you can camp down here? Sweet. To be honest, I really didn't know that I could make a little camp here. So if I really want to camp, I could just set up my little tent here. Just set up a little tent and Well, those guy doesn't look that friendly. But I could put up a tent here and destroy those things there that might sting me. Anyway, but I could put up a tent, relax, make food, drink. Maybe not that. It might be bad for your health, but I could get some drinks with me, of course. Enjoy the nature. Have the bike here and let's get loud. I'm sorry, sign. I'm gonna get loud again with my bike. And what does that sign say? It's another sign. Oh wait a second. We have to read this. Does it say anything in English? English. What is that? It's a dog tag. It's a little dog tag. Mikkelsen. I'm not gonna read that because it's his private address. But okay, so this we're right there, and Kong Frederik den 10. bro, King Frederick. Oh, so that's what the bridge called. Okay, so that is the bridge out there. And this is something I don't know. I don't care anymore. I just want to go. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am the SlowCat. Please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't. This is SlowCat, probably on wheels, signing out.